How to make Gunkan, the battleship roll. Here, I would like to explain how to make Gunkan. When you make Gunkan, roll some rice until it's in the shape of a cylinder, which is also called sharidama. The steps to make a sharidama are almost the same as for the sushi, so please check the movie How to Make Sushi. Here, the tip is to change the quantity of the rice up to how you're going to serve it, as a component of an assortment or just the gunkan itself. If you serve just the gunkan itself, it does not matter even if it's big or small. However, if it's a part of an assortment, the size should be the same with the other nigiri. The nigiri has the neta on the top of the shari, which hangs down, but the gunkan has a cylinder shape and is standing up. Therefore, if you make the same size sharidama as for the nigiri, it will look small compared to the other nigiri, so when you make the gunkan, make the sharidama 4 grams heavier than the nigiri. The way of making the sharidama for gunkan is the same as for the nigiri, but if you press the bottom part with your thumb, you will have a space when you rub the nori on the bottom part. And this space will make unstable the gunkan and will cause the shrinkage of the nori. Therefore, the thumb, you do not use it to press the bottom part, but to make a rectangular or a cylinder of an oval. Start wrapping the nori from about the 1/3 of the sharidama, following its circumference. The tip when wrapping, wrap it tight as if you're tying up the sharidama by rotating it. If the top of the sharidama is round, to be able to put equally the neta inside, after wrapping with the nori, press it a little. The height of the sharidama should be 2/3 to 3/4 against the nori. That height is frequently seen. Naturally, the balance of the shari will differ up to the neta which is put inside. However, as the width of the gunkan nori is about 3.2 centimeters, if the sharidama's height is 2.5 centimeters, the error can be reduced. If you put too much neta, the nori will absorb its moisture and you tend to have a bad balanced gunkan. Therefore, after wrapping the nori, put the neta as soon as possible, because if you wrap the rice with the nori will absorb the moisture and will shrink. If you want to make many gunkan, you will need time, so take into consideration this factor when you make them. The tip when you put the neta into the gunkan is to put it equally. In the first and the second gunkan, I didn't put the neta carefully on purpose to compare how the nori shrinks when there is space between the neta. The neta should not be too little or too much. If you put too much, the taste balance when eating it will not be good and it may stick to other sushi. But if it's too little, the nori will shrink and with time it gets a bad balanced gunkan. And you might see the rice, which will make noticeable the little quantity of the neta. So try to put it equally. This is how you make gunkan, the battleship roll. Thank you for watching.